Hello everyone, my name is Devin and I'm here on my channel, Definitely Inspired, to show you my keto essentials. You should watch this video because I learned a lot along the way, losing 35 pounds in the last 4 months, and I would like to share some of it with you because through conversations with some people that have started keto lately, partially because of me, they've told me they've ran into things like dehydration or having a hard time finding things to eat. So I just wanted to give you my essentials. I'm gonna start with cheese. Here's a block of Gouda cheese, for example, but I'm sure most people watching this have tried cheese. Why this is in a block and not in slices or shredded is this is a healthier way to get cheese. Try to get cheese in its purest form when it was made instead of when it gets processed like shredded cheese. Next item is eggs. Eggs, people. I get these from a friend of mine that lives nearby, and I like to get local eggs if possible. If not, I do just get my store-bought eggs. I do prefer the brown ones. Feel a little better about them, think they taste better. Maybe it's just all in my head. Anyways, next item, nuts. I've talked about nuts before. Nuts are great. Protein, fat. They do have some carbs. Watch out. You can go overboard with nuts. Next little life hack is seasonings. At first I was running into problems replacing sauces because I'm a sauce boss. I love sauce on everything. I think when food gets dry, I add sauce. So I do still do hot sauce, but also to replace other flavors, I recommend this, which is everything bagel seasoning or other seasonings like that. Or here's some red pepper flakes. Our next item is a supplement called Magnesium. This one's an energy one. It has flavoring in it. It's not too bad, but it helps when you get dehydrated. If you do keto, you're gonna feel like you can't get enough water. Add things like magnesium and trace minerals to help with that. It does work. I've tried it. I've looked into it, and other people have done deeper research than me and know much more about those types of things than me. So watch videos on that or do your own research, however that is done. Also, I suggest getting ketone test strips. They will help to monitor how much ketones, or if you're even doing good enough to get into ketosis. This has a little bar thing right here, shows you how much. If you have none, you probably need to cut your carbs or do something different with your diet. If you have too many, you're probably needing to go to the hospital if you're at this high. Next item, meats. Everyone knows keto, meat, they love that. Here's a vegetarian meat, might even be vegan. No, it has eggs and milk. Anyways, Morningstar tends to be lower carb, so I go with Morningstar products. Besides the breaded products, obviously more carbs, don't do that. Next thing is low glycemic, low carb vegetables. I got this at Costco. Great purchase, easy way to get vegetables. And this has 4 net carbs, 2 protein, 2 fat, great filler, good veggies. Another thing is rice cauliflower. I have a bag of that as well. Next and last, I think, yeah, that's everything. So, but I just wanted to grab these real quick. Skinny syrups. This one's butter toffee. This one's caramel. I got them in a 6-pack with 4 other flavors besides these. They actually taste pretty good. Really easy to overdo it and make your coffee too sweet. But something like this is a good way to get your zero happening, you know, with your sugars and have your coffee and all the flavors you want. A lot of times when I go to coffee places, they don't have a lot of sugar-free choices. Some do, some have a lot, but some don't. So it's nice to just make your coffee at home, make it just as good as a coffee place. And, oh yeah, it's not the cleanest, so be aware of that. It does have the bunch of the loses in this. It has the cellulose, sucralose, caramel color, all those good fun things to stay away from if you're trying to be clean. But if you're just trying to cut carbs, I do suggest sugar-free items such as this. Thank you for watching. Check out future videos. I hope to see you around town. Accept life, create light, don't worry, do.